Music. Welcome to my Backblaze B2 Cloud Storage review. Find links below. Backblaze B2 offers reliable, scalable, and affordable storage for everyone. It's a simpler, cheaper alternative to giants like Amazon S3 and Google Cloud Storage. One key feature? Incredibly low prices. At just $0.005 per gigabyte per month, it's one of the most cost-effective options, with no hidden fees and transparent billing. Perfect for budget-conscious businesses and developers storing large datasets. Backblaze B2 integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Cloudberry and Synology. Its versatile API empowers developers, while its intuitive interface lets anyone quickly store data in the cloud. Security is paramount. Backblaze B2 provides server-side encryption and supports client-side encryption, giving you full control over your data's safety. Versioning is also included, allowing easy file recovery. Though ideal for developers and businesses, Backblaze B2 works great for personal backups too. Its simple pricing, easy integration, and robust security make it an excellent cloud storage choice. Looking for reliable cloud storage? Backblaze B2 is a top contender. Check the description for details and links.